Buying your first home. It's one of the biggest and most exciting milestones in your life. But for many, it can also feel overwhelming. Where do you even begin? What's the right order of operations? Well, don't worry. In this video, we're going to break down the entire process into simple, manageable steps, so you can go from dreaming to homeowner with confidence. Before you start looking at open houses, you need to get your financial house in order. This is the foundation of your entire journey. First, save up for your down payment and closing costs. A larger down payment can mean a lower monthly payment and better interest rates. Next, check your credit score. A good score will get you more favorable loan terms. Pay down any debts you can and avoid opening new lines of credit. Lenders look at your financial history. Be consistent with your payments for at least 6 months before applying for a loan. You don't have to do this alone. Your home buying team is crucial to a smooth process. The first member of your team is a great mortgage lender. They will help you figure out exactly how much you can afford and get you pre-approved. This pre-approval letter is a golden ticket. It shows sellers you're a serious buyer. The second and equally important member is a trusted real estate agent who specializes in working with first-time buyers. They know the market, they'll negotiate on your behalf, and they'll guide you through every twist and turn. Now for the fun part. You've got your pre-approval, you've got your agent, and you're ready to find the one. Work with your agent to create a list of your must-haves and your nice-to-haves. Think about the number of bedrooms, location, and the type of home that's right for your lifestyle. Be patient. You might not find the perfect home on day one, but when you do find a house you love, be ready to act quickly. Your pre-approval letter will be your secret weapon. When you've found the house, your agent will help you craft a competitive offer. Your offer will include the price you're willing to pay, as well as contingencies. These are conditions that must be met, like a successful home inspection. Don't be surprised if the seller counters your offer. Negotiation is a normal part of the process. Trust your agent to guide you and help you get the best deal. You've got an accepted offer. But before you celebrate too much, it's time for the nitty-gritty. The home inspection is non-negotiable. It protects you from hidden problems. If the inspector finds major issues, your agent can help you negotiate with the seller for repairs or a credit. Your lender will also order an appraisal. This is to ensure the home's value is what you're borrowing. If it appraises for less than the offer price, your lender won't approve the loan. The finish line is in sight. Closing day is when you officially become a homeowner. You'll sign what feels like a mountain of paperwork. This includes your mortgage documents, deeds, and disclosures. Your lender and real estate agent will be there to help you every step of the way. And then, you get the keys. Congratulations, you did it. The path to homeownership can be a long one, but with the right preparation and the right team, it's absolutely achievable. Now that you know the steps, what's stopping you from taking the first one? Contact a local real estate agent or mortgage lender today. So, you've navigated the process and now you're a homeowner. But what if your first purchase isn't just about living in the property yourself? What if you're looking at it as an investment opportunity? Let's explore how you can rent out your first home, potentially covering your mortgage and even generating income. Deciding to rent out your property requires a slightly different mindset and some additional steps. Research the rental market. Before you even buy, if your intention is to rent, research the local rental market. What are typical rental rates for similar properties in the area? What's the demand like? Understanding this will help you determine if the numbers make sense. Calculate your potential cash flow. Estimate your monthly mortgage payments, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, often abbreviated as PITI. Then, compare this to the potential rental income you researched. Aim for a rental income that comfortably covers your mortgage and ideally leaves you with some profit. Factor in potential vacancies and maintenance costs. Prepare the property for rent. Ensure your property is clean, safe, and appealing to potential tenants. This might involve some minor repairs or upgrades. Consider what amenities renters in your area expect. Finding the right tenants is crucial for a smooth and profitable rental experience. Advertise your property. Utilize online platforms, local classifieds, and even your network to advertise your rental property. High-quality photos and a detailed description are key. Screen potential tenants thoroughly. This is a critical step. Collect rental applications and conduct background checks, credit checks, and verify income. Talk to previous landlords to get a sense of their rental history. Create a solid lease agreement. A well-written lease agreement protects both you and your tenant. It should clearly outline the terms of the tenancy, including rent amount, payment schedule, responsibilities for maintenance, and rules for the property. Consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure your lease is comprehensive and compliant with local laws. Being a landlord involves ongoing management responsibilities. Collect rent efficiently. Establish a clear and reliable system for collecting rent. Consider online payment options for convenience. Be firm but fair with rent collection policies. Handle maintenance and repairs promptly. Respond to tenant requests for maintenance and repairs in a timely manner. This is essential for tenant satisfaction and preserving the value of your property. Consider setting aside a portion of your rental income for unexpected repairs. Keep accurate records. Maintain detailed records of all income and expenses related to your rental property. This is important for tax purposes and for tracking your investment's performance. Consider property management. If you prefer a hands-off approach, or if you live far from your rental property, you can hire a property management company. They will handle tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and other day-to-day tasks for a fee. Factor this cost into your financial calculations. If you're renting out a property, be sure to familiarize yourself with local regulations and tenant rights. Understand local laws. There are specific laws regarding tenancy agreements, deposit protection schemes, and eviction procedures. Ensure you are compliant with all local regulations. Obtain landlord insurance. Standard homeowners insurance may not cover rental activities. Obtain specific landlord insurance to protect yourself against potential liabilities and damages. Turning your first home into an investment property can be a smart way to build wealth and generate passive income. However, it requires careful planning, diligent management, and a thorough understanding of your local market and regulations. Weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and you could find that your first home purchase is just the beginning of your investment journey. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and share your experience telling us how you did your first home purchase.